No. Hey, good evening, everyone. Super excited. How are you doing? Good evening, good morning, wherever you're joining from. And Saturdays is entrepreneurship show where we talk more on how you can learn other skills that can help you um, to grow and become what you want to become. And I'm really excited always when I come for this financial freedom webinar show because it opens us up to what is possible. One more time, good evening, everyone. Good evening, good evening, good evening. And as you come on, tell me where you're joining from. How is it going? Where are you joining from? Today's topic is amazing. How to create sustainable business. We've been teaching this series for more than 4 months right now. And we're talking about how to create a chatbot development. Anyone can learn this, and there are a lot of people that needs it. Hey, Opemipo, how are you doing today? Anyone can learn this. And like I do tell you guys, there is money in everything you do. And no matter the skill set you're doing, I explained to you that the cryptocurrency market and the forex market is a place to multiply your money. So you have to have other skill set that you're using to generate income, inflow. Then when the income inflow comes, then you use the crypto markets, the forex market to multiply. So when you run models like that, you are secured. So, and that's why I tell a lot of my forex students that, hey, in as much that you want to trade full time, how will you put your body and soul together? How do you want to eat? How do you want to pay your rent? How do you want to do all those things? And this is really important for a lot of you guys that are outside there just listening to me for the first time. That your goal is to basically make money. You have to diversify your portfolio. You have to diversify so that you're not just making money from one place. For example, I have several other business models that I do. And when I come to the forex market or the cryptocurrency market, I am not aggressive with it. I'm not aggressive. I'm after profit. But some of us, we are too aggressive because that's the only stream of income we have. So that led us to treating this particular training for the past 4 months. But I strongly feel that if you have other income that can give you cash flow, you can make a lot of money for yourself without stretching your portfolios when you don't have to. Hey, Ibenero Ogechuku, how are you doing? Good evening, sir. Good to have you on. Diversify your portfolio. Yes, yes, yes. So today's topic is key. We on this session we said several. We've mentioned so many skill sets. We've mentioned from website designing, which is where I started from. We moved into um, we moved into affiliate marketing. From affiliate marketing, last week we treated SEO. We went from there to virtual assistant. Several digital skill set that you can use to scale up, and you're good to go. And we'll still have a lot of this to teach you guys because if you can know one, build on it, you make money for yourself. You make so much money. I know somebody that joined who is an active forex trader. When he listened to me, he has learned how to design graphics design. He's now making some money by the side from graphics design. So you don't have to babysit one model or one revenue, and you are really like, how can I make money? Whereas there's money everywhere. There's money. People have a lot of needs that you can meet. Okay. Hey, Mr. Ola Ogeshegun, good to have you on today. So let's get busy with the slide. Let's get busy with the slide. Let's get busy with the slide. Good. So today's topic is Chat GBT, which is creating a digital business. Okay. So what's the introduction about? In today's rapid evolving digital landscape, establishing and sustaining a successful online business is more important than ever. The key to unlock sustainable success lies in embracing cutting edge technologies that can enhance customer experience, streamline operations, and drive growth. One of such technology has to have revolutionized the business landscape is chatbot development. In today's session, you will understand how important chatbot in today's digital business and how you can create business and position yourself in business of chatbot development. So why chatbot or importance of chatbot? Number one is automation. Number one is automation. One of the most compelling advantage of chatbot is their ability to automate various business processes from customer support to lead generation, appointment scheduling to order tracking. Chatbots streamline operation, reduce cost, and free up valuable time for you and your team. By automating repetitive tasks, you can focus on strategic innovative that drive growth and foster meaningful customer relationship. A lot of you have joined platforms like Discord, Telegram. That is what this does. Because if you can learn how to create, there are thousands of businesses that are using all of these platforms called Discord, Facebook groups, Telegram, Skype. All of these platforms, you can create a chat bot that will help people to be able to communicate with their community without having to be there every single time. For example, if you post every morning, instead of you posting every day, you can do a schedule and put it on your chatbot, and your chatbot will send that write up daily, sending different types of posts. And that's what we're talking about today. Because somebody will say, oh, is there money in that? Guys, there's a lot of money in that. Whenever you understand the business model or you recognize the processes that the customer wants, you just create something for them. And guess what? 70% of those scripts, they are open source. I also want to say, what is open source? Open source means that they are available on the internet, but a lot of them does not know how to use it. You with just 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours training, you know how to edit those codes to deliver what they are requesting for. And you can repeat, once you create a solution, a chatbot solution, you can repeat that solution often over and over again. Another important is that it enhances customer experiences through intelligent algorithm and natural language processing. Chatbots can understand customers' query, provide relevant information, and offer real-time solutions by delivering personalized experience that scale. You can nurture customer loyalty and satisfaction. So you go to a chart, you get to a chart, you just realize that what they are using is chatbots. It's everywhere. So you see that there's a lot of money you can make from it, especially when you understand this. And you go to platforms and you see that somebody is chatting you up. Some of these platforms, there are bots that are replying, and they reply you as if they are human because they program them according to keywords. So if you type in "I need this solution," it will go through the content and look for that solution and send it to you. Okay. Another beauty about chatbot is that it is 24/7 availability. So 24/7, you can always get response on your platform. So how to create a chatbot? Number one, you have to define the purpose and the scope that which the chatbot will deliver. What task do you want it to deliver? Is it order tracking? Is it customer care? Is it lead generation? You have to be able to answer that question so that you can now look for the script that can help you do that. Number two, choose the framework. There are several frameworks outside there that you can use to develop a chatbot. Now, there are various options available. We have pre-built platform. Pre-built platforms are platforms like Chatfuel. When you get there, it's just drag and drop. Dialog flow, or you're using Microsoft Boat Frame, providing a better special interface which requires minimal coding knowledge. If you check Chatfuel or Dialog flow, they are just drag and drop, just few codes that you can just get on the list of frequently asked questions, and you can use them and you're good to go. So they are not complex at all. But if you can create time to learn them, I can tell you there's a lot of businesses for you outside there. Custom development. So some people will tell you, oh, I don't want drag and drop. I want you to develop it from scratch. So we talk about that one has to do with you having coding skills. Okay, because of the advanced customization. We have Python's LLTK, Rasa to build your chatbots from scratch. So you can build from scratch, or you just use a drag and drop option to develop the chatbot interface, which is very, very interesting. I remember when I first started website designing in 2003. That was when I learned website design 20 years ago. Yeah, 2003. That's when I learned website designing. Back then I was using micro Dreamweaver 8. Yes, before they changed it to macro mid Dreamweaver 8. Dreamweaver 1, 2, 3 to 7. So we started with Dreamweaver 8. Even there was one that was even called ordinary Dreamweaver. It was an upgrade of it, that is Dreamweaver 8. And I could design a complete website that the person that sees my that sees the website will say, Mr. Mayowa, Mayowa is a good, wow, oh, the video is off. Mayowa is a good developer, not knowing that I was just using a ready-made platform. Come on, guys, if you can hear me, put in 7 in the comment box. Put in 7 in the comment box. Good. So you have to be able to use this kind of platform, because when I started using that, I made so much money designing website, and people never knew what I was designing, what I was using to design, and it makes a lot of sense. I made so much money designing website for people, and it was a platform that you could use to design website for in 4 hours. I was done. 8 hours. I was done designing any type of website, any type. In 4 hours, I was done. So this is what is achievable in this space. But the question is, what are the various ways? What are the so that's what we're talking about. You have to know how to use this kind of platform. So you can make so much money. Like when I mean so much money, guys, so much money. The same way. Just that I don't have all the time to do all these things again. Back then, I was charging as much as 80,000 to 50,000 as a website designer. As a website designer, from 50,000 between 50 and 200,000 to 50,000. That's what I was charging. As a matter of fact, that's one of the things that I used to get into the banking sector because I wasn't willing to learn coding, but I was willing to learn platforms that can aid me. So you can either learn code from scratch or you use ready-made platform. Now you can design conversation flows for customers. Okay, conversation flow, map out conversation flows and user interaction your bot will have. So you have to ask yourself, what are the things you want this bot to work on, and you're good to go. Another thing you want to do is implement natural language process, which we call NLP. Okay, integrate natural language process capacity into your bot, chatbot, so that it can understand and it can interpret users' input. Okay, so NLP allows your chatbot to extract meaning from users' messages and respond accordingly. So you can use that. Now, once you're done with that, develop and test it. Test the chatbot before you use it. Okay, start developing your chatbot based on the design or conversation flow, build the necessary back-end logic, and connect it with your chosen platform. Test your chatbot thoroughly to ensure it responds appropriately to different users and scenarios. So you have to test. Don't as a matter of fact, we have people who are called testers, software testers, and they get paid heavily. Software testers, they get paid heavily. So develop and integrate your chatbot. So once your chatbot is ready, develop it into your channels. You can use it on a website. You can use it on messaging app. Okay, like Facebook is a chatbot, Slack is a chatbot. Other platforms where you want your chatbot to be visible, set it up there, but ensure seamless integration with selected channels and test the functionality in each environment. Okay, so it doesn't mean that every of your chatbot will work for every platform. So you have to know the platform that your chatbots are working for, and you're good to go. Then monitor and improve as people begin to use it. Monitor it, have an admin platform back end to check what the chatbot is doing. Study it, check the interaction, check all of those things, and we're good to go. Okay, make sure you make necessary adjustment to enhance good response with the chatbot. Optimize users experience, which is another important thing that people pay for heavily. People want something that is clean, that is better. Okay, now also provide ongoing maintenance whenever you're done with your platform. Provide maintenance that will help those that buy or subscribe to your chatbot, because people want any chatbot that they buy to have a support system. So support the users, give them maybe monthly or quarterly support that you can use to check their feedback and their performances, so that if there's anything to do, it will be sorted. Okay, So how do I start the business of chatbot? Somebody is asking, Mr. Mayowa, now that you have explained how much money, because you guys know anything I train you, I like to Google how much money you can make with chatbot. Let's check how much you can make with chatbot. It's chatbot. An average chatbot you can charge as much as 15. You can charge as much as 15 to 50 to $500 per month. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? So there is a lot of money. So if you are charging like $15 or $10, you're charging like $10 or $15. Imagine, guys, there's a lot of money. There's a lot of money. Okay, so the first thing you want to do when you're starting a chatbot business is to pick a niche. Okay, there's several niche. Identify a niche. You can an example of a niche for chatbot business is e-commerce, customer support, lead generation, healthcare, several. Pick a niche. Pick a niche before you begin to do so many niche. Pick a niche. Define your services. What do you want to be rendering with this chatbot? Okay, clearly outline the features your chatbot will be delivering, the functionality, the price structure. Those are the things that you need to define your services. Okay, develop a chatbot solutions, identify the challenges in that industry, and build solution for it. That is why it is very easy to sell. That when you are, it is very easy to sell when you are doing. Sorry, guys. When you are selling what people need. So you have to be able to ask yourself, what do they need in this industry? What does this people in this industry want? So if it is e-commerce, you want to ask yourself, what are the solutions available in this e-commerce industry? So once you do that, then you can scale up. But without doing that, you might just be doing developing solutions from head as you feel. Don't develop solutions from head. Okay? Don't develop solutions from head. A lot of the services I render, I develop solutions as people need, not as I feel. And that's one of the challenges a lot of entrepreneurs go through. They create solutions they feel people want. Hey, when you do that, there will be a lot and a lot and a lot to attend to. So you have to be very smart, very, very smart. Do what the people want, not what you feel like doing. Build portfolio. Okay, build a strong portfolio. When people ask you, okay, have you done any sample before? Hey, do portfolio. Do portfolio. Build portfolio. Ask yourself, what are the things people need? What can I build solution on? Build it before they come. Don't build it. Some of you don't have solutions before you start the company. Build the solution while you are waiting for customers. Don't let customers come before you start talking about the solution. Let the solution be available before the customer comes. It will help you to be able to do so much for yourself, and that helps you to be deliberate. Build portfolio. There are several case studies you can build solutions on. So as they come, just say, oh, I have done this, I have done this. Okay, and as they come, and as people buy your solutions, give them testimonials. It will help you establish a price model. Okay, check other competitors, check what is available in the industry. Okay, then create your own price structure. Very, very important. Okay, for a lot of you that are watching this later, it's going to be available on the university, the slides. So you can go through the slide over and over again. Next one is marketing. And I can say this for free. This is one of the challenges a lot of businesses have. They do not market. They do not market. And I don't see people succeed without marketing. You have to market. You have to have a monthly budget on marketing. You have to ask yourself, oh, this business, how much do I need to market every single month? You must have a marketing budget. When you market, promote the business, People will come, showcase how this, and because you're even in this industry, you can create UI platforms that you can create demos without the software working on any website. You can actually create a demo. Okay, there are demos that you can use to run the case studies, and you're good to go. So use all of that. Please make sure you market. Another point is explore partnership. Explore partnership. Build the solution. Check out for platforms. Collaborate with website developers, development companies. Collaborate with them. Oh, anybody that comes to your platform, let's sell this solution for them for $500, and we'll sell the solution. You guys will take 200. I will take 300. Collaborate with marketing agencies, CRMs. Okay, CRMs. Expand your solution framework so that people can partner with you. Give your partners referrals or mutual agreement. Say anything we sell, you take X amount of money. This will allow you to make so much money. Okay, yeah, that's it. Stay updated and evolve. Don't stop learning. Some of you, once you learn something, you don't want to learn. Stay updated. Keep learning. Keep understanding what you're. Keep improving. Sorry, what's learn more. Learn more. Every single time there is a new software, there's a new development in your industry. You guys know I play in the personal development space and the financial space. I am on top of. I spend an average of 1 to 2 hours every day studying. That is my space. So as I'm introducing you to all of these opportunities, you must have 1 to 2 hours every day that you are using to study, to know what your industry is going to give you. So as I'm giving you these opportunities, these digital opportunities, don't just be lazy. Once you pick one, I've taught you guys about 20 of them right now. Pick one and know it well. Pick one, know it well. And we still have close to about 80 to go. Pick one and know it well. Like well. Now, when you know it well, you're going to be good to go. Okay? Now, in conclusion, building a successful chatbot business takes time, effort, and commitment in delivering values to your client. By providing innovative solutions, exceptional services, and staying on top of the industry, you can make money and establish a thriving chatbot business. And with that, you're good to go. Okay? So with that, you're good to go. Thank you so much. Do we have questions in today's session? What did you learn today? Type in one thing that you learned today. You have to learn. You have to learn. You have to implement. You have to learn. You have to implement. You have to learn. You have to implement. Fantastic. Fantastic. So, guys, that'll be all for today. I'll see you guys again next week, Wednesday, when we'll talk about forex. And on Monday, we have Magic Monday, 7:30. Magic Monday. Fridays, we have what we call inspiring stories that will inspire you. Then Wednesdays, we talk about forex. Thursdays, we talk about cryptos. Friday, we talk about inspiring stories. Stay tuned on this channel. If this is your first time, make sure you click on the subscriber button and follow. And I look forward to your success. My name is Owolabi. Have a great day, guys. Talk to you soon.